Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts in Google Chrome so you can quickly access your favorite websites. This is a simple trick but incredibly useful if you want to save time while working or browsing. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, then click on the Customize Chrome button in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you're already on a website and don't see this button, just open a new tab. The Customize Chrome button will always appear on a blank tab. When the Customize Chrome window pops up, scroll down to the bottom and look for the shortcut settings. If the Show Shortcuts option is turned off, switch it on. Also, make sure the My Shortcuts option is selected instead of Most Visited Sites. Now, in the middle of the blank tab, you'll see a Shortcuts section. This is where all your saved shortcuts will appear. To add a new shortcut, click on the plus icon, enter the name and URL of the website, then hit Done. Once the shortcut is created, every time you want to access that site, just open a new tab and click on the shortcut. You won't have to type the URL into the address bar anymore. If you ever need to edit or delete a shortcut, click on the three-dot menu next to the shortcut, then choose Edit or Remove. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created shortcuts for your favorite websites in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.